Hi everyone. So I realized that my introduction, which is the first video of this channel, wasn't very good. It was only 35 seconds long, so today I'd like to post another video on tips to stop or prevent global warming. Global warming is actually a serious problem, and you might not think that one person can bring a change, but if we work together, we can all make a difference. Anyway, I went online and I googled how to stop global warming, and I found a lot of tips that are really useful and you can do them every day. They're really little things that can make a big difference in our world. One thing you can do is, if you like to cook, you should cover your pots when you're cooking. And when you do so, you can save a lot of the energy needed for preparing the dish. And they can save around 70% of the energy. Not a lot of people take baths, but if you do, you might want to consider taking a shower instead, because a shower uses up to 4 times less energy than a bath. And you can also avoid those power showers and just use those low flow shower heads, and they are cheap and provide the same comforts. I'm going to add on to that by saying you should use less hot water, and I know it's almost winter time and we all get really cold, but it takes up a lot of energy if you use hot water, which is why hot water runs out during the winter or the autumn, or just when it gets really cold. And when you're washing your clothes, you might want to use cold or warm water instead of hot water. Buy locally grown and produced foods. The average meal that we eat travels probably thousands of miles from the farm to your plate. So if you buy locally, you will save money and fuel in your community. Drive carefully and do not waste your fuel. Whenever possible, you might want to consider taking the bus or walking or biking to school or work. I know you've heard this many times, but you really should reduce, reuse, and recycle. To be honest, not a lot of people do these 3 things. So do your part to reduce your waste by choosing reusable products instead of disposables. For example, if you like to buy bottled water, you should consider buying a reusable water bottle, which eliminates a lot of waste. So if you buy products with minimal packaging, that will also help reduce waste. And whenever you can, recycle paper and plastic, newspaper, glass, and aluminum cans. You should recycle more often, because if you recycle half of your household waste, you can save 2,400 pounds of carbon dioxide annually. Use the off switch when you're not in a room, so save electricity and reduce global warming by turning off lights when you leave a room, and remember to use only as much light as you need. Turn off your TV, your stereo, your computer, your tablets, and your phones, or whatever electronics you use when you're not using them. So that's all I have for you today. I didn't want to make this video too long, so that's it, and I will upload next week, so I'll see you then.